Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Nisa. I'm from Fisika Education A 2019, Jakarta State University. Welcome to Make It Easy Education Phases of the Moon. Earth has one and only natural satellite called Moon or Lunar like Earth that revolves around. The Sun-Moon revolves around the Earth-Moon takes 29.5 days or one more to take one complete revolution around. The Earth or Moon itself doesn't emit any light like the Sun. The Moon reflects the sunlight that falls on when we look from the Earth. The shape of the Moon changes every night for one moon. Different shapes of the life portion of the Moon that can confront Earth are known as phases of the Moon. Each phase repeats itself every 29.5 days as the Moon orbits or cycles. The Earth that spaces change moon goes through 8 major phases: new moon, waxing crescent moon, first quarter moon, waxing gibbous moon, full moon, waning gibbous moon, third quarter moon, waning crescent moon, and the cycle repeats and starts with the new moon. New moon. The moon is between the Earth and the Sun. The part of the new moon that faces the Sun gets the sunlight. A new moon cannot normally be seen from Earth, since only the dark side of the moon faces Earth at this point. Waxing crescent moon. The moment a thin silver of the moon becomes visible after new moon is the beginning of the phases. The waxing crescent moon, the moon looks like crescent, and the crescent increases or waxes in size from one day to the next. First quarter moon. The first quarter moon is defined as the moment the moon has reached the first quarter of its orbit around Earth. It is also called half moon, as we can see easily half of the moon's surface illuminate. Waxing gibbous moon. Gibbous refers to the shape which is larger than the semicircle shape but smaller than a full cycle. This phase occurs when more than half of the lit portion of the moon can be seen and the shape increases in size. From one day to the next full moon. A full moon is when we can see the entry-look portion of the moon. The full moon appears when the Sun and the moon are aligned on opposite sides of the Earth. Waning gibbous moon. A waning gibbous moon occurs when more than half of the lit portion of the moon can be seen and the shape decreases or wanes in size. From one day to the next third quarter moon. Third quarter moon is one half of the lit portion of the moon visible. In this phase, the opposite half of the moon is illuminated compared to the first quarter moon. Waning crescent moon. A waning crescent moon is when the moon looks like the crescent and the crescent decreases or wanes in size. From one day to the next thinking time. What is solar eclipse? Eclipse is when the moon exactly blocks the sun rays from hitting the Earth. A solar eclipse can only happen at new moon. What is lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse is when the Earth is exactly between the moon and the sun, so none of the sun rays can hit the moon. A lunar eclipse can only happen at full moon. What is supermoon? When the full moon or new moon occurs during the moon closest approach to Earth, it's often called a supermoon. What is a micromoon? A micromoon happens when a full moon or a new moon coincides with the point in the moon orbit phase away from Earth. Thank you very much for your attention, and I highly appreciate any feedback or criticism you're given to me. See you!